In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to post a journal in Navigator, including key features and tips to help you complete your journal entries accurately. To post a journal, start by going to Nominal Ledger under the Accounts header, and then under the Journals tab, Post Journal. So this is a Post Journal screen. Let's go through the key fields and options you'll need to use when posting your journal. So first we have your date. This determines the nominal period the journals will post to. Reference. The reference entered here will appear on the transaction report, helping you identify the journal later. Reverse journal. Ticking this box will post the journal in the current period and automatically reverse it in the next period. This is especially useful for accruals and prepayments. Print batch report. Select this option if you'd like to print the batch. However, the batch details can also be viewed later via the transaction report. Import from file. You can manually enter the nominal codes, or you can import them from a CSV file. This is particularly useful for reoccurring journals, but this will be covered in a separate video. Nominal code. You can enter the nominal code manually if you know it, or you can use the pre-defined list in the lookup option. The amount here, that's to be used when posting debits or credits. So that's the value you're wanting to post to the nominal code. A debit needs no prefix, but a credit value will need a minus sign, as so. Quantity. This field can be used for statistical quantities, but this is optional. Note. You can add a note here to provide additional details for each journal line, and then additional fields to the right hand side. These are used when posting a scheduled journal. So for instance, if you were posting to vehicle stock or vehicle debtors, it'd be prudent to enter the stock number, including the branch number, as a reference to schedule the journal correctly. Now we'll walk through posting a journal itself. I'm going to post a simple journal between bank charges and bank. So first of all, I'm going to select bank charges from a lookup box just by pressing lookup and double click in bank charges. This will pre-fill the nominal code. Now I'm going to post a debit of £200 here with a note of bank charges. Press add. This will add it to the journal itself. You'll notice the post button isn't yet active. This is because to post the journal, it always needs to add up to 0. You always need a debit, no credit. Next, I'll demonstrate how you manually enter a nominal code. So I'm going to be using bank here. So it's 0.0.60.6. Simply tab, and that'll take you to the amount box. Here I'll be posting a credit of £200. Pressing add. You'll now notice that the post journal button is active. So I'm going to process this journal by pressing post journal. The system will give me a batch reference. It's important to note that down. Like so. Pressing OK just clears the screen. To recap, here are some key points to remember when posting a journal. Ensure that the date and reference are correct for tracking purposes. Only use the reverse journal feature for accruals and prepayments. Always check that the journal is balanced before posting. And also take advantage of the import feature for reoccurring journals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos and guides for more tips on using Navigator. Thank you.